Hey there, health enthusiasts! Looking to make positive changes this year? Well, forget the complicated routines. I've got 4 simple daily health resolutions that can make a big impact on your well-being. First up, hydration. Drinking enough water keeps you refreshed, helps with digestion, and boosts your energy levels. Next, let's talk about balanced eating. Focus on adding more fruits, veggies, and lean proteins to your meals. Eating well doesn't have to be bland, right? Add some flavor, and your taste buds will thank you. Third, move your body. Whether it's a brisk walk, a dance session, or hitting the gym, find an activity you enjoy and get moving. It's not just about burning calories, it's about feeling great. Lastly, prioritize sleep. Quality sleep is vital for overall health. Create a relaxing bedtime routine and aim for those rejuvenating hours of rest. Remember, these resolutions are like avocado on toast. Simple, but oh so good for you. Start small, stick to these resolutions, and watch how these simple habits can transform your health.